Hello, I'm Bill Simon. I'd like to talk to you today about a relatively new program that IRS has implemented. The program has to do with merchant accounts and network payment accounts such as PayPal. The purpose of this program is for IRS to capture the amount of money that businesses receive when they use or accept credit cards from customers. This concept is accomplished by an annual report being submitted by the merchant account company to IRS. That is then matched with your tax return to compare the amount with the gross receipts that you have reported on your tax return. The discrepancies, if sufficient, will cause an inquiry to you from IRS, and it does not necessarily have to be an amount reported by the credit card company larger than your gross receipts. It could be smaller, but IRS has built models that show what a business in your particular industry should be reporting in the form of credit card sales versus cash sales. Clearly, this is not a scientific approach and is not exact by any stretch of the imagination. You should be very careful when you receive the 1099-K, that is the form that is used, from your merchant account to make sure your preparer of the tax return has that information available, and you should also review it to see if it appears correct to you, period. If a discrepancy occurs, you should immediately contact the merchant account company to address this issue so that they can file a revised form. If in fact you have reported less monies and now this error comes to light, you need a professional who is well versed in IRS matters to represent you. We have recently handled several of these cases, a few of which wherein the client has not reported as much in total gross receipts as the credit card statement shows. This means that either the statement is in error or we have substantially underreported our income. You need someone who's well versed in these matters to effectively manage this to a satisfactory conclusion. W.H. Simon & Company is a CPA firm that specializes in IRS representation matters. We have been in business for over 30 years, and 80% of our practice comes from referrals by CPAs, attorneys, and former clients around the country. We would be more than happy to offer you a free consultation to handle a problem of this nature.